Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on gardening inventions of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Grandpa's Weeder. Grandpa's Weeder is a renowned gardening tool designed to simplify the tedious task of weed removal. It features a long handle made from real bamboo, which not only adds durability, but also provides a comfortable grip for users. The standout feature of Grandpa's Weeder is its 4-claw steel head design, which allows users to effortlessly remove weeds from the ground without the need for bending, pulling, or kneeling. This tool is particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with mobility issues or find it challenging to bend down for extended periods. By simply placing the claws over the weed and applying slight pressure, users can easily uproot weeds from their roots, preventing them from regrowing. Grandpa's Weeder offers a practical solution for maintaining a tidy garden lawn without the hassle of traditional weeding methods. Its efficient design and ease of use have made it a product. 2. Product name TRJZWA Solar Automatic Drip Irrigation System Kit. TRJZWA Solar Automatic Drip Irrigation System Kit is an innovative solution for both outdoor and indoor gardening needs. Designed to simplify the process of watering plants, this de-irrigation system offers convenience and efficiency. One notable feature of the kit is its solar-powered mechanism, which ensures sustainability and eco-friendliness. By harnessing solar energy, the system operates without the need for external power sources, making it suitable for various environments and reducing electricity costs. The system's drip irrigation design ensures precise and targeted watering. Product 3. Product name Seed Starter Tray with Grow Light. Seed Starter Tray with Grow Light is an essential tool for gardeners, especially those who want to kickstart their seedling growth indoors. This kit typically includes 5 packs of plant starter trays, each equipped with a grow light. The trays are designed with 12 cells per tray, providing ample space for seeds to germinate and grow. Additionally, the kit often comes with humidity domes and a base, creating a mini greenhouse environment ideal for seed starting. The inclusion of a grow light is particularly beneficial for indoor gardening, as it ensures that seedlings receive sufficient light for healthy growth, especially in environments with limited natural sunlight. This feature allows gardeners to start seeds at any product. 4. T-Talk Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The T-Talk Mini Cordless Chainsaw represents a compact and convenient solution for light-duty cutting tasks, offering a blend of portability and ease of use. Featuring a 6-inch handheld design, this chainsaw is designed to be seniors-friendly, catering to users who may require simpler operation and enhanced safety features. One notable feature is its security lock mechanism, ensuring added safety during use. Powered by batteries, this chainsaw eliminates the need for cords, providing greater maneuverability and flexibility in various cutting scenarios. The utilization of manganese steel in its chain ensures durability and efficiency. Product 5. Product name KIT4 Pros Floral Garden Tool Set. KIT4 Pros Floral Garden Tool Set is a comprehensive package designed for gardening enthusiasts, particularly tailored for women. This set serves as an ideal birthday gift, comprising heavy-duty tools essential for gardening tasks. The set includes a range of tools such as pruning shears, gardener gloves, a sprayer, a weeder, and a trowel, all featuring a charming floral design. Any of the notable features of this set is its emphasis on durability and functionality. The tools are crafted to withstand rigorous use in various gardening activities, ensuring long-lasting performance. Additionally, the set comes with a convenient storage tote bag organizer, allowing for easy transportation and organization of the tools. Whether it's trimming, planting, or weeding, the KIT4 Pros Floral Garden Tool Set equips gardeners with the necessary tools to tackle a variety of tasks with ease and style. Its thoughtful Product 6. Product name Famoy Claw Gardening Gloves. Famoy Claw Gardening Gloves for planting are innovative gardening gloves designed to streamline gardening tasks and provide maximum efficiency. These gloves feature built-in claws on the fingertips, which serve as handy tools for digging, planting, and cultivating soil without the need for additional gardening tools. They are particularly beneficial for women who enjoy gardening but may find traditional gardening tools cumbersome or difficult to handle. The gloves offer a comfortable fit and are made from durable materials, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of outdoor gardening activities. Their claw design allows users to easily loosen soil, plant seeds, and pull out weeds with precision, all while protecting their hands from dirt, thorns, and other potential Hazards.The Famoy Claw gardening gloves are not only practical, but also make for a thoughtful gift for women who have a passion for gardening. Whether they are seasoned gardeners or just starting out, these gloves can enhance their gardening experience for gardening enthusiasts looking to simplify their gardening routines. Product 7 Product name Rainpoint Hydroponics Growing System Kit. Rainpoint Hydroponics Growing System Kit is a comprehensive indoor gardening solution designed for individuals seeking a convenient and efficient way to grow herbs and plants indoors. This kit comes equipped with 13 pods, providing ample space for cultivating a variety of herbs or other plants. Utilizing hydroponic technology, it allows plants to grow without soil, instead relying on a water-based nutrient solution to foster healthy growth. One of the key features of the Rainpoint Product 7 Product name Rainpoint Hydroponics Growing System Kit. Rainpoint Hydroponics Growing System Kit is a comprehensive indoor gardening solution designed for individuals seeking a convenient and efficient way to grow herbs and plants indoors. This kit comes equipped with 13 pods, providing ample space for cultivating a variety of herbs or other plants. Utilizing hydroponic technology, it allows plants to grow without soil, instead relying on a water-based nutrient solution to foster healthy growth. One of the key features of the Rainpoint